Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Forza Horizon 6 game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. First, steps to fix sound or audio problem in Forza Horizon 6. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. Select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Go to the spatial sound tab and first from the drop down here select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Fix to is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Forza Horizon 6 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio problem in Forza Horizon 6 if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So this is for the Bluetooth headphones users. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Forza Horizon 6 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.